Whoa! Oh my god! It's a spoon in the road! Somebody could easily fall over this. Oh my god, it just blew up that tree and not a scratch on it. I wonder what that is. I wonder why that is. Private Mater! Where were you this morning? You were supposed to be in my boot camp at 1000. Sorry, Sarge. Tell me why you were late. No! Well, I was just driving to your boot camp when I suddenly came across this spoon that makes things explode. That's your excuse? And are you really freaking serious? A spoon that makes things explode? That's so retarded. You know what isn't retarded? When I throw the spoon at you! Ow! What the? Oh my god, I just killed Sarge! I'm a murderer. What am I gonna do now? Hey Mater, what's up? Die, civilian! Die! All of you die! Oh my god. I just blew up everybody in Radiator Springs. I'm alone. No, I'm gonna have to kill myself. Goodbye, cruel world. Whoa! Oh my god. It was all just a crazy dream. I'm just as confused as you are, my friend.